In today's video, I will walk you through how to make ElevenLabs sound better. To begin, go to the dashboard, select Text-to-Speech. When generating audio in ElevenLabs, start by selecting the V3 model. Once you've selected the V3 model, begin adding tags directly into your prompts. To use a tag, type the desired tag and enclose it within square brackets. Place these tags directly within your text to control the vocal delivery and add different expressions to the generated audio. You can use tags for reactions and vocal expressions, such as laughter, whispers, sighs, exhales, and excitement. Add the appropriate tag at the point in your text where you want that expression to occur. You can also use sound effect tags within your prompts. These can include effects such as gunshots, applause, and explosions. Add the sound effect tag inside square brackets at the point where you want the sound effect to appear. Using these tags allows you to add different vocal expressions and sound effects directly into your text. To learn how to use these tags more effectively, check the ElevenLabs best practice prompts. Review the examples to see how the tags can be added to prompts when using the V3 model. Then apply the same approach to your own text by selecting the V3 model and adding the appropriate tags inside square brackets. Try different vocal expression tags throughout your prompts. For example, add a laughter tag where you want laughter, a whisper tag where you want a whisper, or an excitement tag where you want a more excited delivery. You can also add sound effect tags such as applause, gunshots, or explosions where those effects are needed. Continue adjusting the tags within your prompts to change the way different sections of the generated audio are delivered. The main process is to select V3, add your desired tags, place them directly within the text, and then generate the audio. Check the generated result and continue working with the available tag options to refine the output. The ElevenLabs best practice prompts can also be used as a reference when working with different tags and the V3 model. With the V3 model selected and the appropriate tags added to your prompts, you can control more vocal expressions and sound effects within the generated audio. That's all it takes to make your ElevenLabs audio sound better using the V3 model and tags. Select V3, add tags inside square brackets, place them where you want the changes to occur, and generate your audio. That completes the process for improving your ElevenLabs audio. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next videos.